Green bean casserole is a Thanksgiving staple for many. The smooth cream soup mixing with the green beans against the crunch of crispy fried onions brings memories of holidays past. It's super easy to pull together and may just go from being supporting role to star of the show. I've made a few tweaks to make it a little healthier than the original, but don't tell. You'll be running to the head of the line to dig in. So grab a cup of hot cocoa. It's time to make some magic in Mrs. Kringle's kitchen. Make sure you hit the red subscribe button and click the bell to be notified when new videos go live. Preheat the oven to 350 degrees. In a large bowl, add one 10.5 ounce can of heart-healthy condensed cream of mushroom soup so that you can control the sodium. Then 1/4 cup of skim milk, 2 tablespoons of grated Parmesan cheese, half a teaspoon of Old Bay seasoning, half a teaspoon of black pepper, and give it a good stir. Take about 2 ounces of crispy fried onions and crunch them up and add to the soup. I like to use thawed organic green beans over the can so they're not as mushy. Give them a toss until thoroughly coated. Add the mixture to a 1.5 quart casserole dish and spread it out evenly, making sure that you get it all. Bake in the oven for 20 minutes and then add your border of crispy onions around the edges. Place it back in the oven for 5 minutes and it's ready to serve. Green bean casserole can still be a flavorful family favorite without being a sodium bomb. The taste and texture may be even better than you remember, and those who passed it over before should give it a try. Use your favorite salt-free spices to customize it to your taste. Better dive in first because there won't be leftovers. For the full printable recipe, head over to mrskringleskitchen.com. Don't forget to like, comment, and share the love with your family and friends.